Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Amin Bizkanain, IY920399. I would like to present what academic discipline are used to study information system and how does it contribute to an understanding of information system. So first we see a definition. Definition is a multidisciplinary field, which is no single theory or perspective dominance in this category. So it can divide by two things, which is technically and behavioral approach. And they use the socio-technical system. For more deepening meaning is they are composed of machine, device and hard physical technology, but they also require to sustain social, organizational and intellectual investment to make them work properly. So first we gonna to see a technical approach. Technical approach is using an information system which is emphasized mathematically based on model which is study information system as well as the physical technology and formal capabilities of the system. In addition, they are also contribute to the technical approach which are used in the computer science, management science and operation research. So for more to know the meaning of these three, which is computer science is to study the establishing theories of computability, method of computation and method of efficient data storage and access. Next, management science. Management science is to study emphasize the development of model for decision and also making and management of practice for their theory. And last but not least, operation research is for focus on mathematically techniques for optimizing selected parameters of organization such as transportation, inventory control, and transaction costs. So second, we can see behavioral approach. Meaning for these things is concerned with behavioral issue that arise in the development and long-term maintenance of information system, such as issue that arising is a strategic business integration, design, implementation, utilization, and management, which cannot be explored usefully or deeply with the model used in the technical approach. But in the other hand, it doesn't not ignore technology. Indeed, information system technology is often the stimulus for a behavioral problem or issue. So behavior approach, there are three things that make this approach more affordable or trusted. First, sociologist is to study information system with an eye towards how group and organizations shape of development and system and also how system affected individually groups and organizations. Second, physiologist. Physiologist is a person who study information system with an interested in how human decision makers perceive and deceive or for use formal informations. Last but not least, for this behavior approach, there are economists who person is study information system with an interested in understanding the production of digital goods, the dynamics of digital markets, and how this person can get a new information system change the control and cost structure within the firms. Last but not least, we can see sociotenacy system, which is how they are used three alternative to plan a good or a better system for previous approach that we can see. So there are alternative 1, alternative 2, alternative 3, which is they can finalize all things that's a good things in the final design of technology and organizations. That's all from me for this topic. Thank you very much and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.